does drop down off to a deep spot, and then there's a bypass to the left.
Did anybody drop in?
The bypass has a sharp turn. The Broncos dropped in, didn't he?
Did anybody drop in?
I did. He should have.
He's thinking about it.
First part of it's a little tough, Ron, but the rest of it's just flexing.
Yeah, that's certainly not my strong point.
Broncos are flexy.
We're going to attempt it.
All them body panels flex like all the rest of them.
So the two Jeeps went up to 88 and 89 inches on the flex ramp, and Ron got 38.
And that's your husband you're talking about.
I know! I love him, but damn.
Are there extra points for going up and over it? Depends on how fast you hit it, I guess. Not very fast, but...
Oh, that's not very pretty. You said a little flexy, man.
When y'all get to the Y intersection, we're going to the left.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh.
I'm waiting on the Bronco.
I'm coming, got a couple behind me.
Hey, you did it!
That was pretty damn exciting.
Oh.
Hey, Will, how's it down there? Gio's on 35s, and I think you should be alright. I can't see it. It's fun as hell, come on. Yeah, just as when he first come in, this little drop here, Will, he just got to take it easy. That's all. He'll be alright.
I'm on 35s, didn't even use lockers.
Thank you. I think I got it. Different pictures.
And my flex game is garbage.
I'm on 35.
Okay, sweet.
Yep.
But you didn't take that trail.
Oh, I thought they were talking about ahead of us.
No, we're following the pack here.
Well, I did lose the pack.
Well, I mean, I can walk faster than this.
You know. Y'all think about it, Ron.
We don't have anybody behind us, so we can see.